for another OKAJUKU, and Serena-chan is killing it. So let's get into the vlog. My front alignment is definitely off. My front tension arms came loose the other day and I retightened them, and obviously they've gone out of alignment, but I mean it's doable. I just got to work the wheel a little bit more. So we're in the beginner session right now while I'm not driving. And they're out there having fun, learning. There's Serena-chan. We're gonna do some tandems with her in a little bit. But what I wanted to show you guys is my little cooling kind of life hack. All right, now, you guys know I've still got a factory radiator in here. Now in winter, totally fine, didn't have any overheating issues. I really apologize about that wind if it's coming through. I have the dead cat on, it shouldn't, but if you do hear it, we're in some kind of crazy windstorm right now. Anyways, back to the car. So the factory radiator, now that it's starting to warm up in spring, it's not cooling the car enough. And it's getting bad. Like I need to make sure that if I don't do what I've done, I can only do like maybe 5 runs and then I got to stop and do a couple cool down laps, and then after that it's like 2 runs, cool down, 2 runs, cool down, and it sucks, right? So what I did was I set up a really basic and simple water spray method for the radiator. So I went to the hardware store, I spent maybe $15 on this, and I got this tube, this flexi kind of plastic tube, and it connects here to a garden water sprayer there, and then there's another one down in there. Hopefully you can see it, but I can show you the back of it there. Goes to a little T-piece here, and then I zip tied it to the side of the washer bottle. When I'm at the circuit, I unplug the hose that goes to my front windscreen washers, and I plug on the one for my radiator in place of that. Then what I do is I unplug the windscreen wiper motor here, leave that just like that, and then whenever I'm in the car and I've finished drifting and I come down through here before lining up and going again, I simply just use the windscreen washer, pull that forward, and then I literally just, like, I can watch the temp drop. Now, it's super simple, super easy, and it's just whenever you're at the circuit, you connect it up, unplug the motor, and then you've got a water sprayer for your radiator to keep temps down. And this has kept me drifting for 30 minutes at a time. So really good, really efficient, works amazing. The only sucky thing is you got to keep filling this up. So after a while, obviously, I've got the smaller washer bottle because I got the Grady intercooler kit, which because the pipe comes through there, I can't have the big factory one. So this does run out after about 15 minutes of driving. So then I have to stop once, quickly at the tap, at the hose, and fill it up, and then just keep driving. But that's better than having to miss out on a bunch of seat time because I got to do a bunch of cool down laps. So yeah, really simple, really basic, and it works great. Hopefully, maybe you guys can implement that on your daily drifters or something. Okachan's just asked me to run out in the middle here and film him drifting. I think he's gonna do a couple tandem runs, but it's always a little bit scary being out here in the middle of the track. Alright, hopefully this is a pretty decent spot for you guys and you can see everything that's going on. Let's get some more drifties happening. Alright, we're doing pretty good. This is what I love about Gymkhana, is just all the practice you can get in. good, lads. All right, 1 more minute left in this session. So this Infinity is Alno-kun's car, and he came today for the first time. It's the first time he's been out drifting, and he's already holding the first big corner sweep there. So he's doing really well. But he's got a really cool themed Infinity. So he's got the green Momo drifting wheel, and because that's been brought forward from the boss kit, because he's a short guy, he's got this little extender here so he can still control the signals. But check out his handbrake. This is an issue with all the Zs, right? The handbrake's so far back, it's really hard to use. But they have these kits that you can buy that bring the handle near the shifter so you can reef on it. That's freaking cool. I love it. And he's obviously running a bright Zeta as well by the looks of things. Like, he's going for the green Monster Energy drink theme. He's not sponsored or anything. He's just a big fan of Monster. That's pretty cool. Anyways, he's throwing on some more skidders and he's gonna get out there, but he wants to come in the car with me and learn a few tips. So we're gonna take him out and have some fun. Okay, we've got Alno-kun in the car now. We're gonna do a few runs and see if he can learn a bit. Okay, so me and Serena are going to do some more tandem practice. That was good. That was really good. Good job, Serena. See if we can get a bit closer this time. Okay, I gotta quickly put some more water in my car, but that was fun. This is the only sucky thing about this little hack is you have to keep filling her up. All right, let's have another crack, shall we? Yeah, Tonoshi, this is so much fun. There we go. That was good. Kind of. I had to clutch kick it to get back in there instead of going out too wide. That was beautiful. Could have been a little bit better on the transition, but it's okay. That? Something wrong with my tire? Nope, something else is wrong. My turbo's blown up! Oh no! I blew up my turbo! Oh. And I... うるさいよ。This is what my... It's just super rich now. Arigato. Alrighty, so the 33.4 did great up until the last run again. Tsukuba 1000, last run, smashed the whole front bar and damaged the intercooler. And then on this run, blew out the compressor wheel on my turbo. Super common on these because they're ceramic. So, I mean, I knew I was playing with fire because I did turn the boost up by like, I don't know, 5 PSI, a little bit more. So, yeah. I mean, it's my own fault. I already started looking on Yahoo auctions for like a secondhand replacement one. But yeah, I don't know. We'll have to see if I can find another really cheap, like normal one to put on, because I don't really want to spend a little bit like, I've been talking to Tomei and we've worked out a sponsorship deal, but I don't want to bolt that turbo on until I do injectors, intake manifold, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So instead of doing the upgrade right now, we'll probably just go and get a normal factory one, put that on, turn the boost back down a little bit, and we'll be fine. Anyways, we got to pack up now because the event is over. So I'll throw you guys on the time lapse and let's go. Alright guys, so I'm back home and as per usual, I'm wrecked because I've been drifting all day and working my butt off trying to improve and things like that. We blew the turbo up. The whole rear compressor wheel's somewhere in my exhaust before the cat. So we'll have to fish that out and rip that turbo off and get another one. I'm not sure what turbo I'm going to go for right now, whether I'm just going to put another factory one on, get maybe a second hand like HKS GTRS, or get a brand new Tomei kit, or I have no idea what I'm going to do with that yet. Right now, me and May are really trying to save money, so it's probably going to be the cheapest option. But anyways, you know, we'll talk about it and we'll work something out. But anyways, guys, I'm wrecked and I have no idea what I'm saying. Make sure you smash all of my social media down in the description. If you want to send me slap stickers or RB25 stock turbo, my PO box is down in the description. Can't wait to start getting some more things from you guys. And otherwise, I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I think I've repeated myself. But anyways, catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe and all that. Ja, mata ne.